go walk with the folks. It was drizzling this morning, but the sun's out for a bit. It's supposed to rain again later.
You have entered the monitoring area.
Let's go, puppies. While I'm walking the puppies, I got a little fact about cicadas. I'm gonna read to you. It said here, eating insects may be taboo for local audiences, but the United States is actually in the minority when it comes to regular incorporating insects into their diet. Approximately 80% of the world countries cook with insects, like the fried caterpillar of South Asia and the grasshopper tacos of Mexico. Americans eat many close relatives to insects already without a second thought, says the bug chef. Water bugs, which are a fixture of special occasions in other countries and are closely related to lobster, shrimp, and crabs. In fact, if you are allergic to shellfish, you are likely to also allergic to cicadas or crickets. Cicadas do not bite or sting and serve as a food source for other animals like birds and raccoons. However, McKelvey said when adult female lay their eggs on tree branches, it can cause some decay that can cut off nutrients to the rest of the branch. They can be sauteed, deep fried, baked, put on pizza. They can be put on ice cream, he said. They taste a surprisingly amount like shrimp, because shrimp and crab and their relatives are all insects relatives. They're like cousins of each other, partly added. Cicadas are high in protein and low in cholesterol, and offer a cleaner diet than their distant cousins, which frequently feed on decomposing matter. You can hear them now in the trees, the cicadas. Lucy, what are you doing? Here. Give me the other paw. Come here. Don't be difficult. There you go. But it sounds something like crickets, the cicadas. Lucy, come on. Yeah, that noise you hear right now are cicadas. Little blue moths. I don't know if you can see them or not. They're so quick. Try to get them on camera. Okay, I'm coming, doggies. Doggies don't even see the little blue moths. What are you doing, Barkley? Barkley, he's too fast. Come on, let's go. They're peonies.
You have entered the monitoring area.
Trying to be quiet so I can hear these cicadas. Let's go in the house. Let's go. Thanks for folks for walking with you. So thank you, folks. We enjoy the walk. I know Lucy did. We appreciate you, folks. Thanks for watching.